The guide is a convenient way to see what is currently on or playing in the future. You can set program reminders or schedule a recording if you subscribe to the PVR service. To access the guide, press the Guide button on the remote. The guide displays 90 minutes worth of program information for 5 channels at a time. As you navigate the guide, information about the program selected will appear in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. To navigate the guide, use the right and left arrows or up and down arrow keys on the remote. To advance the guide 5 lines at a time, up or down, press the Channel Up or Channel Down buttons on the remote. You can also enter a specific channel number by using the number pad on the remote to skip to that channel. To tune to a program that is currently on, press OK on the remote. The channel will now appear in the preview window. To see the program in full screen, press the Exit button. Now let's check out the scheduled event options available in the guide. If you navigate to a future program and press the OK button on the remote, an options box will appear. If you subscribe to the PVR service and would like to record the program, select Record Program by pressing the OK button. A red dot will now appear next to the program in the guide to indicate that it is scheduled to be recorded. Pressing the OK button again will give you an option to edit or cancel the recording. If you select Cancel Recording and choose Yes to confirm, you will notice the red dot disappears. If you press the OK button again, you will notice a Record Series button. This allows you to schedule an automatic recording anytime a particular program is on. Series recordings and other PVR options are covered in the PVR tutorial. Let's look at some other options. Set Reminder will allow you to schedule an alert that pops up on the screen when a particular program will soon begin. The feature is useful if you want to make sure that you don't miss a program. To choose Set Reminder, press the OK button on the remote. A yellow clock symbol will now appear next to the program in the guide. To cancel the reminder, press the OK button again and choose Cancel Reminder. The yellow clock disappears. The next option, if we press OK, is Auto Tune. Unlike a reminder that just alerts you of an upcoming program, an Auto Tune will actually switch the channel to the program just before it is scheduled to begin. To choose Set Auto Tune, press OK on the remote. An orange circle with arrow will appear next to the program. To cancel the Auto Tune, press OK and choose Cancel Auto Tune. Now let's look at some other features of the guide. You may have noticed that some programs are preceded with a blue star. This indicates that it is a first-run program. Programs that are available in high definition are marked with a blue HD icon. You will also notice some program titles are light gray in color. This indicates that the program is a movie. Finally, there are multiple guides that are available to select from. By default, you will be in the All guide. The All guide shows program information for all available channels, regardless if you subscribe to them or not. If you press the Guide button on the remote, when the guide is on the screen, you will notice that now you are on the Subscribed guide. This will only show channels for which you are subscribed. Pressing the Guide button another time brings up the HD guide, showing only those channels in the high definition packages. The last default guide is the PPV guide, which shows the pay-per-view channels. Remember that each time you press the Guide button, it will cycle between a different guide. Keep in mind that whatever guide you are on when you exit, those will be the only channels that are available for you to view. So if you appear to be missing channels, press the Guide button on the remote to make sure that you are either on the All or Subscribed guides. To exit the guide at any time and return to full screen viewing, press the Exit button on the remote.